Cooking with Vlad, we have this beautiful turkey. We're talking all things turkey and Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, so I want you to have your game plan ready. For this recipe, you're gonna need a beautiful Cambro like son, a 14 to 16 pound turkey, frozen or thawed. You're gonna need a cup of kosher salt and a half a cup of sugar. Now that is the basics. After that, you can add your own little nuances and take it to the flavor that you like it. Now the reason we brine our turkeys is so it's more juicy, more flavor, and just a better product overall. You let the salt, sugar really do its thing. You let it sit in the brine for 2 to 3 days. Whether it's frozen, you might want to take it an extra day. But it's gonna ensure that your bird is juicy. Everybody at the table is gonna be amazed by your cooking skills. So let's get right to it. So now that we have our beautiful lights on here, we have our bird here, we're gonna start by making our brine. You're gonna take 1 gallon of water, you're gonna add 1 cup of salt, half a cup of sugar, and now I like to add my own little flavor, so I'm gonna add a little ground pepper, onion, little ginger, little chili flakes, and some really good honey. And that's really gonna take it to another level, and it's gonna wow all your guests, as it has in the past when I've made this recipe. So we're gonna fill up this with a gallon of water, and that should be enough water to fill your turkey. If it's not, you can always add a little more water, a little more salt, a little more sugar, and kind of adjust your levels. All you're gonna do is you're gonna break this open, make sure you don't cut any of the skin, take the innards out, and put it straight in the brine. Put that in the cooler 3 to 4 days, depending on if it's frozen or thawed. Maybe take it 5 to 6, so you can really start ahead of time. And this will free up your time on Thanksgiving, where you're making all your sides, you're making all your salads, which you want to be fresh. You could add a stuffing inside this, or you could just... Who's that?